Hi guys, it's me Jillian and I'm with my brother Cody.
Hello.
Today we are going to the farm and help Uncle. Are you excited? Because we are excited! Yay! Let's go!
Hello, kids.
Hi Uncle. Can we help you?
Sure.
Thank you!
Have fun, kids.
I want this one and I'm so excited to plant.
Me too. Nice, that's cool. Cool. Okay, what's
Now it's time for the strawberries.
1, 2.
I'll put it back.
Now time to water it.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
See you at the market. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I was gonna say.
Let's learn vegetables and fruits. Apple. In Thai, apple. Yummy. Orange. In Thai, som. Delicious. Next one. Cantaloupe. In Thai, cantaloupe. Yum, yum, yum. Banana. In Thai, gluai.
I love to eat banana. That's right.
Grapes. In Thai, angun.
Angun.
Yes, that's right. Pear. In Thai, look pear.
Look pear.
Well done. Thank you. Yummy. Pineapple. In Thai, saparot. Let's get another one. I'll mix it. Wow! Amazing! Yummy! Tasty! Corn. In Thai, khao pod.
Khao pod. Sweet.
Potato. In Thai, man farang. Can you say it?
Man farang.
Cool. Cucumber. In Thai, แตงกวา Carrot. in Thai. Carrot.
I love carrot.
Tomato in Thai. มะเขือเทศ
มะเขือเทศ
That's right. Pumpkin in Thai. ฟักทอง Cabbage in Thai. กะหล่ำปลี Rice in Thai. Cow. Cow. Mushroom in Thai. Head. Blueberry in Thai. Blueberry.
blueberry
Yes. Mmm. Hey, Grandpa, what do you have?
Come and check.
Wow, watermelons. Watermelon in Thai. Bangmo.
Tangmo.
Yes. Now it's time to get fruits. Let's go on the table. Strawberry. Wow, amazing. Cool. Let's mix orange and blueberry. Amazing.
Yeah.
What about these two watermelons? Awesome. Tasty. Now I'm full.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time. Bye bye.